Alright, right here we have the Amazfit GTR Mini, Amazfit's newest and smallest smartwatch, at least when it comes down to the display size. So today we will take a look at all the features, check out some of the specs, sport modes, price, and of course the watch phases. And I guess let's start with that one. So like all Amazfit smartwatches, the Amazfit GTR Mini already comes with a set of default watch faces. Now all of them are analog watch faces, but if you're looking for some more watch faces, you just have to open up the Zap app. Look for your watch faces, and right here you've got dozens to choose from. So on top you get all of your latest ones, and further down you get to a variety of analog watch faces, digital ones with big numbers, rainbow colors, pets, fruits and portraits. And that one is actually a little bit special, since if you click on it, you can use photos from your photo gallery and use them as a background. You can even select a few different ones and create something like a slideshow with multiple pictures. So that's actually pretty cool. Also, some of the watch faces can even be customized. So by long pressing the home display and then clicking on the lower edit button, you can start customizing your watch face. So you can basically change all of the display metrics, like changing the battery life to your heart rate or to any other one. By the way, this watch also has an always on display mode. Just go into your display settings, find always on, and toggle this one on. Right here you can either choose that the AOD watch face is following your current watch face, or you can click on style selection and use one of 5 other always on display watch faces and use them instead. And like always, you gotta have in mind that the AOD will really kill your battery life. Now that I mentioned the battery life, so on normal usage you can expect to get around 2 weeks of battery life out of it, and that in one single charge. Now to fully charge your watch from 0 to 100%, it will take about 2 full hours, but that's pretty much normal. But if you have the always on display mode toggle on, you can get about 3 to 5 days of battery life out of the GTR Mini. Of course, that always depends on your usage. So if you're using the built-in GPS all the time, you don't get as much out of it. So now that we got the battery life and the watch phases out of the way, what else can we expect of the Amazfit GTR Mini? And first up, the notifications. This watch doesn't get all of your smartphone's notifications, but you can say you get most of the important ones. So in the Zap app, you can see that you have Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Yahoo Mail, and a few other ones. You also get notifications on the watch if you get a call, SMS, or other emails, but you cannot reply to any messages, nor can you answer any of these calls since you don't have a built-in mic and a speaker. The GTR Mini also has a music player with just some basic functions, like you can skip a track, you can go back a track and play and pause. You get the weather app with a 5-day weather forecast, plus you can see if it's a good day to go fishing or to wash your car. A feature that I like a lot is that you can customize your one physical button. If you just give it a quick tap, you will open up your menu, but if you long press it, it opens up your workouts. Now, that's set by default, so if you want to customize it, you can either check out the preferences on the watch or check out the settings over in the Zap app. It works either way. And right here you can connect this button to any other application that you have on your smartwatch, such as your Pi score, other health metrics, music, alarm, or whatever. Something else that you can customize over in the Zap app are your app shortcuts. By swiping right on the watch, you get to a list of apps, but those can be swapped out with other ones anytime you want to. Alright, let's head over to the specs and the price. So this watch only costs 130 euros over here in Germany, which is I think a very good price for a watch with that many features. You get lots of health metrics, a built-in GPS, over 120 sport modes, 2 weeks of battery life, and an always on display mode. So that's actually great. So the Amazfit GTR Mini is available in a few different colors. Now I got the all black version, but you can also get it in the colors Misty Pink and Ocean Blue. Now, when it comes to the size, we are talking about a 42mm smartwatch with a 1.28-inch AMOLED touch display with a resolution of 416 by 416 pixel, which is on par with other smartwatches like the Faces Gen 6 or the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. Since we have a stainless steel bezel and a plastic body, this watch only weighs in at about 35 grams. With the strap, it is water resistant up to 5 ATM, and it comes with a 20mm silicone strap with a quick release function. As for last, this watch is compatible with iOS and other Android mode. Next up, we got the sport modes. So as I already mentioned, this watch supports GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS, and Baidu. So you get all of your workout routes covered. Plus you get over 120 sport modes. So on the first page, you get all of the common ones like walking, running, yoga, pool swimming, fitness, free training. But all the way down at the bottom, if you click on more workouts, you will find some categories for running workouts, cycling, dance, ball sports, combat, and a few more. So that's maybe the quickest way to find your sport modes. I mean, you can also customize the first page of your workouts and add more to them, change the order, or kick some out. So I guess technically, this would be the fastest way. Also, before starting your workouts, you can set different goals and targets, enable the auto pause function, or make use of the virtual pacer. As well as you can customize your workout display. If you click on more and then on your data page, you can change all of your display metrics. So instead of going with your normal pace and distance, you can change it to anything else. There are actually quite a lot of metrics that you can choose from and that can be tracked. Something else that we have not talked about are the health features. So the Amazfit GTR Mini tracks your heart rate 24/7 and is giving you high and low heart rate alerts. Plus, you can set it to only track every 30 minutes if you want to save some of your battery life. This watch also tracks your stress level at all times, as well as your SpO2 level, even though you have to enable those features first over in the Zap app. You get a sleep tracker and the usual Amazfit one-tap measuring. That feature tracks your heart rate, your SpO2 level, and your stress level at the same time. And guys, there we have it. That's the Amazfit GTR Mini. Now, I've also covered the Amazfit GTS 4 Mini in one of my other videos, so if you're looking for small smartwatches, this video might be worth a look. I also compared sizes with the normal GTS 4 in another one, just in case you're interested. And guys, I guess with that being said, I will see you in the next one. So, peace.